Hi guys, welcome back to another great YouTube video. Let's get into our ingredients. I have an almost 1.5 pound of salmon that I'm going to cut in half, and make sure you take out your bones. I have some asparagus that I rinsed off and cut the ends off, and I'm going to add some onions to go with the asparagus. I have some rice that I rinsed off to get the extra gunk off of it, and some boiling water ready to go for my rice. Now the stuffing for my salmon. I have some spinach, tomatoes, and cheese, and also a little bit of milk to add a creamier texture. And of course, my honey and teriyaki sauce for the glaze. Now for the rice, you want to season your water and add your rice to the boiling water. Once it comes back up to a boil, you want to add the lid and turn the eye completely off. For the salmon, you want to cut it in half or even cut it in fourths, depending on how much salmon you would like to eat. I definitely should have cut mine in fourths, but the half was worth it, eating it all. If you're having difficulty like I am because I have a horrible knife, turn it around and cut through the skin. So I've chose this piece of salmon, so I'm going to cut it in the middle where I'm going to make my slot, and this is where I'm going to stuff my spinach mix. My rice is at a boil, so I'm going to place the lid on it, turn the eye off, and don't worry about it till it's time to eat. Perfect rice. And there you have it, the best salmon ever. I'm telling you guys, you just take the last bit of drizzle and drip it all over the top of your salmon. You won't forget this meal. Enjoy. Let me know what you guys think. Leave a comment below. Try it out for yourselves. Until next time, see you next video. Bye.